Happy Monday, you guys. Trini here, the Mind Mechanic out of Taos, New Mexico, and it's another gorgeous day. Just spending some time in this beautiful cemetery. That wonderful, wonderful mountain, the clouds. You guys, this week has moved in. It is equinox and just so many incredible things. The crows are crowing and the puppies are digging and the moods are flowing. And I am getting ready to put together this chronically negative, or the impact of chronic negativity on individual and familial units, this next Sunday, March 26th. And I would love for those of you that are in Taos, hello friend, this beautiful, beautiful friend. I would love for those of you that are here in Taos to join me at the Espresso bar at Taos Valley Lodge at 3 p.m. on March 26th to just sit together in collective energy, collective positive energy, to discuss some of the things that many of you either acknowledge or don't necessarily realize pertaining to how chronic negativity is currently impacting your lives. Whether it is you who individually struggles with chronic negativity, or whether you are consistently surrounded by loved ones that suffer from chronic negativity. And, you know, as we dive into this conversation, just acknowledging each one of you for being present to this topic, because it is such a valuable topic to discuss openly and to acknowledge in loving ways that enable us all with the ability to address these things, to start healing these things, and to create bridges so that more of us can love the ones that we wish to love, to include ourselves. So I love you guys. I hope you're having a beautiful day, and I hope to see you on the 26th. Take care.